about being a member of the Information Society. That's a difficult question because I didn't know we were in the Information Society.
Hello, this is the French guy from the Gunpla network, and today we unbox the Master Grade 100 Gundam Exia Avalanche Dash. Let's start with that box art. So it's not my favorite, but it's not bad. It's really similar to the X and Riser box art, but it's not as good as the recently released Master Grade F91 2.0. So this is the front of the box. Some of the posing right here. One of the side of the box with the red Bandai logo. More details and gimmicks right here. The price of 6,700 in Japanese yen. And that is it for the Gundam Avalanche Exia Dash box. Nothing spectacular, but it worked. You got some details in English also on it. Thank you, Bandai, for that. So let's proceed with the runners. And here, my friend, is everything that you can find in the box of the Gundam Avalanche Exia Dash. A big total of 23 runners plus a green transparent action base that come with it. You got also a small sheet of decals with the famous rubber plastic from the Exia. Most of these runners are reused from the Master Grade Exia that was released back in 2009. So we're gonna take a quick look at them, but we're not gonna waste too much time on them. The first one is the J2. That is from the Master Grade Exia. These are the sword bits. Runner A from 2009, that is also the Exia. Runner E inner frame and sword Exia. Polycap from 2003. Runner Q from 2018. This is brand new for the Master Grade Exia Avalanche Dash. You can see some part that will be used in the leg and in these weird looking ski fits. Runner Q again. Runner P from 2018 for the Exia Avalanche Dash. Runner P again. Runner H from 2009 from the Exia. Runner J from 2009. A lot of beam effect. Runner B from 2009. Runner C from 2009. Runner D from 2009. Runner R1 from 2018. This is brand new for the Exia Avalanche Dash. Runner S1 from 2018. Runner O1 from 2018. O2 2018. S2 from 2018. R2 from 2018. I from 2009. F from 2009. And the brand new clear green action base right here. So what can we say except that this new kit reused a lot of runners from the Master Grade Exia back from 2009 actually. This is just a variant suit of the Exia, so that was to be expected. I'm still surprised over the amount of new runners that we got to do the Avalanche Exia Dash. So it's gonna be an interesting build, I guess. I already built the Master Grade Exia twice, so that will be my third time. I'm getting tired of these suits, but I love the Avalanche Exia. This is my favorite variant of the suit. I just love that design and I'm excited for it. That was my first I-grade kit from when I was back in Japan. This is the first kit I ever bought for myself, the I-grade Exia Avalanche Dash, because I just love it and I'm excited to build it as a Master Grade. Let's take a look at the manual, shall we? Right here is same art that you can find on the box. And by looking at the manual, I just realized that you're gonna have some water slide that is included in this kit. So this is quite nice. Here you go, some water slide. Start with the chest units once more in the GN drive. And then arm units, nothing special, really Exia regular. And after you're done building the leg and the skirt, you really jump to the Avalanche Exia part right here. As you can see, you got a couple of pages of it. Let's just take a look at it. Once more, this is the ski that you can find behind his feet. They look great, I like them. And sticker, water slide, decals, whatever you want to call them, whatever it is. The marking location at the end of the booklet. So what can I say? I am super excited for that kit. I am excited to share it with you. I'm excited to start building it this weekend. This is a personal favorite of mine and I'm glad that I got it. Thank you to Canadian Gundam for providing, for providing the people of my country with that kit. So this is it, guys. This is the unboxing of the Master Grade Exia Avalanche Dash. If you like this video, leave a like. If you don't like it, well, sorry. And comments down below what kind of variant suit will you like to see in the future. It doesn't need to be from 00. I know we got a lot of 00 and Unicorn kit, but let's say you want another dumb, or you want something else, like something new that we never had. Castria. So let me know in the comments below, and we will try to have this kit built before the mid-semester exam, because I'm gonna get crushed. So that was that French guy from the Gunpla Network, guys, and take care. Bye.